We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. So how do you pronounce this word? Well, there are different correct ways of pronouncing it. Now, I guess the most standard and the more British English way of pronouncing it is as prescience. I know it looks like it should be said prescience, but no, prescience, prescience. Now, in American English, the Merriam-Webster dictionary pronounce it as prescience, prescience, so a sh sound and an e sound and an sound, prescience. But the Oxford dictionary for the American English pronunciation lists it as prescience, prescience. So I guess there are different ways out there of saying this word that are correct and, you know, officially recognized. So prescience, I guess at least you're safe with that one, at least outside of the US and probably inside the US as well. Prescience is always going to be correct, but you can also say prescience or prescience. And now you know it all, I think. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the little gesture, that helps me a lot. Thank you very much. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.